So Jorrit, Parking Network, we're exhibiting at Intertraffic Amsterdam 2024. But for the audience that might not know yet, what is Parking Network?
Parking Network is the worldwide leading platform for parking professionals to connect to the industry. And we started with a platform called Parking.net, where you can find daily news, the yellow page for the industry, but also all the RFPs, RFQs in the industry, job openings, anything related to what the industry needs.
And can you tell us a bit on your role with the company, a bit of the history?
I'm the founder of the company. Parking Network is founded in 1996. At that time, it was pretty early to market a website for the industry because it was the early days of the internet. But nowadays, we're really proud that we're still the number one platform to use for every parking professional, like the people who are here walking around.
Okay, why are we, as Parking Network, exhibiting at Intertraffic?
We're now in Hall 12. This is a specific hall specifically for the parking area. What you see here is that we have a nice booth which we accommodate a lot of people in the industry to serve some nice drinks and some nice food. But next to this, we also have a symposium, which we are proud to host this year. In 3 days, we had 17 speakers, and it was really packed.
All right, so then tell me a bit on the future. What is more that's coming up?
We're hosting our airport parking network event for the 15th edition already now in Istanbul in November, 24th to 26th of November. And we are also starting with the first Americas edition in Dallas next year in March.
All right, so for the audience that want to get involved with Parking Network, what are the steps that they can take?
First of all, just go to parking.net and just see, read, experience, and reach out to everybody who's involved in the community. Once you would like to know more about Parking Network, reach out to any one of our team. We have a very nice international team with more than 10 nationalities, what I'm really proud of. Young people, energy, a lot of energy involved. And if you then would like to be part of this good big community, then just reach out and we will hook you up.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you, Marcos.